Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzles in today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 15th, 2024. Already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 1 puzzle is left, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with the 3rd regular puzzle, JigSaw Sudoku. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, yesterday I've made a mistake. I've told you 372 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Well, it seems not 372, but 373 days. Because this year, we have a leap year, February the 29th. So 1 extra day. Oh wait, let me start with this one. Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku, number 9436. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 1 star or maybe a 0 stars puzzle. 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 13 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2, a dual box. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes. No, how about, oh, here another dual box. The 1 and 2, do not know in which order. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. It's mirrored, the L shape. Let me mark, or let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle here? Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Well, it's already filled in. The 2, alright. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. It's the same figure, structure, construction, whatever you name it. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box, okay. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here, okay. We have only 1 Z construction. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum are 6, with only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left on the 1 in this cross area, supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, well, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there then. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be 2. This box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those. So we have 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 to 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Let me mark. Oh, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. 3 and 4. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. This box can be 3 and that box can be 3. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. Well, we have a double 1 there. So can I place the 1 here? If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4 is connected with that box, so 2 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those, 1 and 3. Well, we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be 4. This box can be 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright. Then, let me see. 3 and a 4, we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this quarter box supposed to be here. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 2 is connected with that box, so we saw 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, so we saw 1. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 11 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. Need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.